Hey everyone, today I want to explain what is actually happening with reports about Ukrainian deportations from the United States as of November 14th, 2025. There is lots of fear, rumors, and confusion online, so here is a clear, calm breakdown of the situation based on verified information. The main headline is this: US immigration authorities are preparing the deportation of about 80 Ukrainian nationals who already have final removal orders. These are not random people, and this is not a new mass policy. These are individuals whose immigration cases have gone through the entire legal process, sometimes for many years, and an immigration judge has already issued a final decision that they must leave the country. So the key point is that this is a limited group tied specifically to final court rulings. It is very important to understand what this situation does not mean. It does not mean that thousands of Ukrainians in the USA are suddenly being targeted. It does not mean that everyone under United for Ukraine or TPS or humanitarian payroll is losing their status. Earlier this year, DHS accidentally sent letters to some Ukrainians telling them they had to leave within 7 days. Those letters were later confirmed to be a mistake. Because of that incident, a lot of people are understandably anxious. But as for today, there has been no announcement of any mass deportation and no universal cancellation of humanitarian protections. So why are these specific deportations happening? The cases involve people who already have a final removal order. In some instances, there is also criminal charges or violations of immigration law. This is not about nationality, it's strictly about legal status and court decisions that have already been made over time. Another topic that has been widely discussed is the voluntary return program. The US government is offering up to 1,000 in logistical support for Ukrainians who choose to return to Ukraine on their own. This program is optional, it is not a deportation. It is simply an alternative for people whose status is expiring or who decide that returning home is the best option for them. So what should Ukrainians in the USA do right now? First, make sure all your immigration documents are up to date, whether that's your I-94, payroll extension, TPS, or your work permit. Second, really only on official sources like USCIS and DHS. Do not trust random emails, screenshots, or telegram messages. Third, if you receive any letters that worries you, talk to an immigration attorney immediately. And finally, if you believe you might have illegal issue or a risk connected to your status, inform the Ukrainian embassy or consulate so they can assist. Right now, the most important thing is not to panic. There is no mass removal of Ukrainians and no broad policy change affecting tens of thousands of people. The situation is serious for the individuals involved, but for the majority of Ukrainians in the United States, nothing has suddenly changed. If you want more updates on immigration legal changes or verified news, feel free to ask in the comments. Stay informed, stay calm, and protect your legal status. Thanks for watching. I wish you good luck. You can subscribe on my channel, also my YouTube, and put your comments and likes, and be happy.